Buckle up, because we're about to reveal the secrets of the code of attraction with 12 psychological tricks. No love potions or voodoo, just pure psychology. Ready to become a human magnet? Let's dive in. 1. The chameleon effect. Subtly mirror their gestures and speech patterns. It's like whispering, we're on the same wavelength. People are naturally drawn to those who mimic them. Try smiling when they smile or matching their posture. 2. Posture power-up. Ditch the slouch. Stand tall and own your space. Confidence is incredibly attractive. Studies show that standing tall and taking up space makes you seem more confident and assertive. 3. The name game. Remember their name and use it often. It's music to their ears. People love hearing their own name, so sprinkle it into your conversations. 4. Secret club for two. Create inside jokes and shared experiences. Exclusivity is intoxicating. Build a world only you two understand with inside jokes and shared secrets. 5. Eye contact tango. Hold their gaze and let the sparks fly. But don't be creepy. Making eye contact can make them feel more connected and attracted to you. 6. Talk therapy. Listen to their stories and make them feel heard. Attention is the ultimate aphrodisiac. People love to talk about themselves, so ask questions and listen attentively. 7. The Benjamin Franklin bait. Ask for a small favor. It sounds weird, but doing things for you makes them like you more. This psychological trick states that we tend to like people we do favors for. 8. Positivity potion. Be the sunshine in their life. Laughter is the best foreplay. Positivity is contagious, so be happy and upbeat around them. 9. Touchy-feely tango. A brush on the arm or a playful nudge can ignite the fire. Physical connection is powerful. Just keep it respectful and within boundaries. 10. Push-pull paradox. Play a little hard to get. Don't be a constant doormat. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. Being occasionally unavailable can make them want you more. 11. Twin telepathy. Find common ground and highlight shared interests. Similarity breeds comfort, and comfort breeds attraction. People are drawn to those who are like them. 12. Show, don't tell. Actions speak louder than words. Do something nice or surprise them. Express your feelings through actions, not just words. Leave a comment below with your favorite mind hack. Subscribe and let's build a community of attraction alchemists. Go forth and conquer, but remember, kindness is still the ultimate magic trick. Now, unleash your inner charmer and watch the obsession meter rise.